Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the SPY. Again, sitting on a pullback after Jerome Powell mentioning that unemployment isn't exactly as high as we were expecting. And as you guys can see, getting a spike from initial jobless claims again on Thursday, and now sitting on a quick spike here after a pullback again on Friday, having a pullback and then spiking at the end of the day. Where exactly may we be headed next, as we do have our 20-day moving average crossing below our 50, which typically does show a shift in bullish momentum going into bearish momentum. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY again, after a spike from a decrease in CPI, again, that decrease in inflation, Powell has been looking for, again, for the last 4 to 5 months to have that decrease in inflation and have bad jobs data reports coming out to show that we are increasing in unemployment to get that momentum. With our 20-day crossing below our 50, again, that does show us that we are typically shifting into bearish momentum. So again, our play here would be looking for that possible engulfing candle that we have been talking about. Our full body of our candle covering our prior day's body of our candle to the downside would give us that confirmation on that engulfing candle, showing us that we are respecting our 20-day to the downside. However, that bullish momentum, again, would need a lot of consolidation to come out of this. We would need a lot to turn around from here. We would definitely be looking for more confirmation jumping above our channel that we did not get prior. Again, prior we did get the spike on that decrease in CPI. We almost had that momentum to jump above our channel here, but we did not get that bullish candle structure. Again, looking for a spike, a pullback, to look for that proof of concept on that engulfing candle, possibly to the upside, to show that we are respecting the up end of our channel and not getting that rejection that we had prior is exactly what we have been avoiding. So again, that would be that bullish momentum if we're continuing on higher here. At this point in time, with our 20-day crossing below our 50, we are simply looking for that confirmation on bearish momentum at this point in time. And again, to recap on our weekly chart based on our daily chart, I went over this yesterday, but also just keeping in mind that we are closing again the week below our 20-day moving average. So again, now sitting on another doji candle below our 20-day, as we do have a continuation on decreases in buy pressure here. We have our EMA lines that are still pointing up. So again, we're looking to see if our EMA lines will start to curl back down going into next week, possibly curl down below our 26 EMA to give us that bearish momentum, or if our 12 will possibly continue on higher going into next week into higher highs. That will be what we're looking for. We'll see exactly if we do get that proof of concept on our daily chart above the upper end of our channel to make sure that we do not get that rejection here. And lastly, looking at our MACD here, again, we do have our 12 EMA now curling here. So we're looking to see if our 12 EMA starts to continue on lower. If we do continue on into lower lows, we start to get that increase in sell pressure that we have been getting, again, on that decrease in sell pressure recently, on that consolidation. Now looking to see if we will get any more confirmation on increases in sell pressure. If our 12 EMA happens to cross back over our 26, then we will be looking for possible bullish momentum to come out with increases in buy pressure to see if we can get that continuation on higher. But at this point in time, again, the bearish momentum play is definitely what's on watch here. And again, playing to the upside, even if we do spike and continue on above our channel here, we will be looking for that proof of concept to the upside. Now, to conclude here, if we're going to be looking for that bearish momentum, we need a target here. We need that possible bounce play where we would be taking profits. So looking at our VPVR here, looking at our next strongest point here within our volume that was traded on the daily chart here, showing us that 365 is that next target. At about 365 is exactly when we would be taking profits if we did get that confirmation on that continuation on lower with that engulfing candle. So again, keeping that in mind, 365 is our next level to the downside if we do continue on lower into next week. And we do continue to lose this anticipation that we have been getting from Nick Timiraos mentioning that possible Fed pivot. So again, we will see exactly what happens. Again, looking for confirmation here, very key. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, the market can get very choppy. Most breakouts have been pre-market news in the open. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. We also mentioned a weekly watch list, a daily watch list every single day in the Instables room, although we are paused for the holidays till next week on Tuesday, which the market is going to be starting up, in my opinion, and getting ready for the new year. Go to instables.com in the description below. For only $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables, I appreciate you guys every single day as always. We'll see exactly what happens leading into next week. We have 3 jobs data reports coming out, again, after Powell emphasizing the importance of unemployment. We'll see exactly what happens. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.